Welcome to your 15-minute full body fat burn workout. This session is designed to be gentle on the joints, no jumping, no equipment, and totally beginner friendly. We'll work through low impact exercises that target your entire body while keeping you safe and energized. All you need is a little space, a bottle of water, and your motivation. Let's get started. Let's begin with a quick warm-up to get your body moving. Start by gently marching in place, swinging your arms naturally to wake up your muscles. Now shift into some side steps with soft arm circles to loosen up your shoulders. Next, tap your toes forward and back while reaching overhead and stretching side to side. These light movements will increase your blood flow, warm up your joints, and prepare your body for what's coming. Keep your breathing steady and your core lightly engaged. Let's finish the warm-up with gentle knee lifts and shoulder rolls. Great job, now let's move into the main workout. First up, we have squats with alternating heel raises. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, lower into a gentle squat, and as you rise, lift your right heel, then the left. This works your glutes, thighs, and calves without any jumping. Focus on your form, chest up, back straight, knees behind your toes. Breathe in as you lower and out as you rise. Keep going at your own pace. Now let's move into standing wall push-ups. Find a wall or solid surface, place your hands shoulder width apart, step back slightly, and lower your chest toward the wall. This is a great upper body movement that targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps, all while protecting your wrists and joints. Keep your body straight, and don't rush it. Exhale as you push back. You're doing great. Next is a static reverse lunge. Step one leg back and lower into a lunge, hold for a second, and return to standing. Then alternate legs. Keep your core tight, your chest lifted, and hands on your hips or in front of you for balance. No jumping, no pressure, just strong, slow movements to burn fat and strengthen your lower body. We're now going into a half squat march. Start in a light squat position and begin marching in place, raising each foot just slightly off the floor. This keeps your legs activated while adding a cardio boost. Remember to stay low and keep your abs tight. You should feel your thighs and core working together. For our next move, we'll do standing side leg lifts with an overhead arm reach. Stand tall, lift one leg to the side while reaching your arm over your head toward the same side. Return to center and switch. This move targets your glutes, side abs, and shoulders. Stay in control and feel the stretch through your obliques. Time for a full body movement, modified walking plank taps. From a standing position, hinge at your hips, walk your hands out to a modified plank, and gently tap each shoulder. Then walk your hands back and stand tall. This move fires up your core, arms, and legs while keeping it low impact. Go slow and steady, this is about control, not speed. Now let's do a standing knee to elbow twist with a punch. Bring your right knee up toward your left elbow while twisting your torso, then punch forward as you reset. Alternate sides. This works your core and gives you a slight cardio push. Keep your movements sharp and your core tight. You've got this. Next, we'll do low impact mountain climbers. Instead of jumping, step each foot forward one at a time in a plank position. Engage your abs and keep your shoulders stacked over your wrists. This is a great core and cardio movement that's easy on your joints. Go at a pace that challenges you but doesn't break your form. Let's do wide side steps with uppercut punches. Step to the side and throw an uppercut with the opposite hand as you move. This combo works your legs, arms, and core while giving you a rhythm to follow. Keep it fun and flowing, like a light boxing drill. Now we'll finish the main set with standing bicycle crunches. Bring your elbow to your opposite knee across your body, then switch sides. Keep the movement slow and controlled. This is a solid core exercise that also helps with balance and coordination. Breathe with each twist and stay tall through your spine. Amazing work. You've completed the main workout. Now it's time to cool down and stretch. Start by gently rolling your shoulders back and taking a few deep breaths. Reach both arms overhead, then slowly lean to one side for a side body stretch. Hold, breathe, and switch sides. Now hinge forward at the hips and reach toward your toes, keeping your knees soft for a relaxing hamstring stretch. Slowly roll back up. Let's stretch the quads. Grab your right foot behind you for a standing quad stretch. Hold onto a wall if needed. Breathe and switch sides. Finish off with a deep chest opener by clasping your hands behind your back and lifting your chest slightly. Breathe in, and slowly release. Great work. You've just completed a full body, no jump, beginner-friendly fat burn workout in just 15 minutes. This routine is perfect for daily movement, improving endurance, and burning fat, all without any equipment. If you enjoyed this session, give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to Awais Fitnation for more real, low-impact workouts that keep your fitness journey going strong. See you in the next one.